We'll guide you through how to remove background noise in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Once you have your project open, go to the Fairlight page by clicking the Fairlight tab at the bottom. This is where all the audio editing magic happens. Now, select the audio track that has the noise you want to remove. Click on the track header to highlight it. Next, head over to the effects library, which you can find on the top left of your screen. In the search bar within the effects library, type noise reduction and hit enter. Drag the noise reduction effect onto your selected audio track. A new dialog box will open up. In this box, you'll see several sliders and options. Start by playing your audio and listening carefully to identify the noise. Then, use the threshold slider to adjust the level at which noise reduction kicks in. You might need to experiment a little with this to get the best results. Move the reduction slider to determine how much of the noise you want to remove. Be careful not to overdo it, as it can affect the quality of your original audio. You can also use the smoothing and attack/release controls to fine-tune the effect. Listen carefully as you make adjustments to ensure that the voice remains clear while the background noise is minimized. Once you're happy with the changes, close the dialog box and play back your project to see how it sounds. And that's it. You've successfully reduced background noise using DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.